Car jamming is a reality. It's one that means even when you think that your car is locked, it's not. The car jammer's frequency blasts the whole area, preventing your remote communicating to your car. Now, to put your mind at ease, you could always double check, right? You graduate to triple checking, followed by the quadruple. You get the picture. The way Santam sees it is that the signal jammer presents both the problem and the solution. We call it the Jammer Scanner, something like a car alarm for your car alarm. A small device that can fit onto your keyring. When the jamming signal is sent out, the scanner detects it. And it's that simple. Ideas like this can help make us all safer, which is why we want to know yours. With Santam's help and investment, your idea could become a one-of-a-kind safety solution. All it takes is one idea.